What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. Today I got my boy Brian showing up. He has a mobile tire business named Tire Mobile Express. So he's on his way up here. Should be putting up in a minute. We'll be able to see his wrap and let him tell you a little more about his business. So since I have a car channel and he has a business that is basically taking care of car maintenance, I figured it's only right to put him on the channel. So here he comes.
Welcome to Whips Most Wanted, where you find the most wanted whips.
We got Tire Mobile Express pulling up. If y'all need tires changed and you can't get to the tire shop, this is who you call right here. Tire Mobile Express. This right here is the man. Moving billboard all day long. Got the painted rims over here. Alright now. Like I said, Tire Mobile Express just pulled up. He got a new wrap on the vehicle, so we're gonna talk to him, get a walk around, and see what he actually does for a living as far as him taking care of other people's cars. So, boy, what's going on, man?
What up?
Man, chilling. I like the wrap, man.
Appreciate it.
I like the wrap. Look at him, all the way official. Tire Mobile Express. Okay, man, they did a good job on your wrap, man. Did an excellent job on it. Now, is that paint on the rims or is that wrap too? Oh, that's dip. Okay, matching rims and all. Loving it. I know everybody seeing you coming down the street now. Okay. All right. So look, man, give us a walk around. Tell us about your business. Come on now, look at him. You a YouTuber, man. You a YouTuber. You can't be speechless. Oh, hey, turn around. Let me see the back of the shirt. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Back of the shirt matching the van. Okay. We good. But yeah, man, give us a walk around, man.
You know what I'm saying? Come to you right on the spot.
Okay. So if they at work on a lunch break or whatever, they can call you, get a tire changed. It's been raining, so I know you got to be getting calls on screws and nails washing up. In the streets, people running over and whatnot. Okay.
Yeah, flat repairs and all, you know what I'm saying? We come right there, take care of right where they at.
That's what's up, man.
The full thing of being convenient, that's what we're about, convenience.
Okay.
So,
that's what's up, man. And your promo is on 1,000. For real. I like this, man. I'm proud of you, man. Okay.
long road.
I feel you. So yeah, man, shoot. Give me a walk around, man. Yeah, let me check out the inside. And are you mounting and balancing too? Oh, okay. We got a tire shop on the go. Mobile tire shop. Alright, Jackson. Surrounding areas. Flowood. Madison, Pearl, Byram, Clinton. You in all those spots, right? Everywhere. Okay.
The whole metro area.
Whole metro area. Alright. Man, I love it, man. Hey, what inspired you to actually do this? Cause
I've been working on tires for a minute.
yeah.
You know, solid rim man, come and fix rims on the spot. So I'm like, if they can fix rims on the spot, they should do tires on the spot.
That's what's up.
And when nobody else doing it, so I said, why don't I do it?
Alright, fill the void.
Yeah, my job, they let me go.
Yeah.
I said, I'm going to start my own thing.
Man,
I did ever since, ain't look back.
don't let nothing hold you back, man. Don't let nothing stop you. Okay. Alright, and look, I done added me a little light now, so now I can, let's see, did it come on? Oh shoot, it's on. Alright. Mounting, balancing right there on the spot. Tires selling brand new tires and whatnot. Now you selling brand new and used, or just?
We're strict. Well, I mean, I can do used, but like I said, we mostly do new tires. We can do used too.
Okay.
So I heard my customer had got 4 new tires. Check out. It's called Quick Letter Kitchen.
Yeah.
It's a mobile food truck.
I saw that on YouTube. I saw it on YouTube today.
Yeah, we put 4 new tires on his trailer. So man, that food's so good.
Really?
Man, it's real good. Real good.
And look, I left a comment, man. I like how you did business with them. No, they did business with you. Then you turned back around, did business with them.
Oh yeah.
That's what's up, man.
Help each other.
I like that. I like that. I'm feeling it. Okay. Well, sure. Tell everybody how we can get in contact with you.
They call me at 601-345-1080. It's Tire Mobile Express. I come to your house, your apartment, anywhere work. Convenience is what we work on. Nothing but convenience. So like I said, we just like any other tire shop, we take care of you right on the spot.
Sounds good, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem, man.
All right. Alright, y'all, Tire Mobile Express. Hopefully they coming to see one of y'all. So if y'all need some work done, need some tires put on, give these guys a call. That's the number right there, one more time. Like I said, if you need tires put on, give them a call. And it looks like it's about to rain, so I'm about to get on back inside. See those clouds? We got floods going on right now. Northeast Jackson is nearly like underwater right now, so I'm gonna get on back inside before this rain come on. But like I say, give them a call. Give them a call. You need your tires put on. They'll take care of you while you're at work, while you're locked down and can't get out and do stuff on your own. So peace.
Alright, once again, Whips Most Wanted fam, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell.
Dirty Costello.